Good morning everyone. I Amita Ramteke from Emerald Heights School. Today I am going to teach math subject of class 5 and today we are going to learn lesson number 2, large numbers. Now in last year we have learned the up to 6 digit numbers. Now in this class today we are going to learn how to form the 7 digit, 8 digit and 9 digit numbers and how to deal the problems by using the 7 digit, 8 digit and 9 digit numbers. So first of all we will learn how to form the 8 digit, 9 digit and 7 digit numbers. So here first of all we will learn about forming 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit numbers. Now first of all, to find the 7 digit, 8 digit and 9 digit numbers, we will write the smallest 6 digit number first. On left side we will write the smallest digit numbers and on the other side we will write the greatest digit numbers. So now which is the smallest 6 digit number? The smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. Smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. Now if we go on proceeding by using 1 lakh, then 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2, 1 lakh 3, 1 lakh 4, and in this way if we go on proceeding, there we will get the largest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. Now if we add 1 in 9,99,999, we will get the smallest 7 digit number and that is 10 lakh. Then again with the 10 lakh, if we go on proceeding, we will get 10 lakh 1, 10 lakh 2, 10 lakh 3, 10 lakh 4, and in this way the largest 7 digit number which we get, that is 99,999. Now in this if we add 1, we will get the smallest 8 digit number, that is 1 crore. Now again if we go on proceeding with the 1 crore, we will have 1 crore 1, 1 crore 2, 1 crore 3, 1 crore 4, and in this way if we go on proceeding, we will get the largest 8 digit number, that is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Now if we add 1 in this number, that is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. If we add 1 in this, we will get 10 crores. We will get 10 crores. And 10 crore is the smallest 9 digit number. Then if we go on proceeding with 10 crore 1, 10 crore 2, 10 crore 3, 10 crore 4 and so on, we will get the largest 9 digit number and that is 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So in this way we have learned how to form the smallest 7 digit number, smallest 8 digit number, smallest 9 digit number, and if we go on proceeding with these numbers, we will get the largest 7 digit number, largest 8 digit number and largest 9 digit number. Now we will learn how to write these numbers in a particular places, and we will learn about how to write the numbers in the Indian place value system. So now just see here, that is Indian place value system. Place value system. for large numbers. Large numbers. That is for 7-digit number, 8-digit numbers and 9-digit numbers. So first of all, whenever we start with the Indian place value system, we have to start from the extreme right side. So the extreme right side, here we will get ones place, then we have tens place, hundreds place, then 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now here we have arranged the places, but along with the places there we have the periods, as we have ones period. Now in ones period there should be 3 digits. The places are for those 3 digits are 100, tens and ones. Then comes thousands period. Now in thousands period we can arrange 2 digits. So and the places there it is given as 1000 and 10,000. Then comes lakhs period. Now in lakhs period again we can arrange 2 digits, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. Then we have crores period. Now in crores period there we can arrange 2 digits, so that is crore and 10 crores. Now we will learn how to place the value 7-digit number value in Indian place value system. So now let us take the number 5, 1, 9, 8, 3, 4 and 2. So if we see that, if we count the digits in this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 7-digit number. Now here we have placed in the places having Indian place value system. So now here we have arranged this 2 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 3 in thousands place, hundreds place, 8 in thousands place, 9 in 10,000s place, 1 in lakhs place and 5 in 10 lakhs place. Now how to read this 7-digit number? Now to read this, first of all, we have to put up the commas according to the periods. So first we will write the number 5, 1, 9, 8, 3, 4, 2. Now we will put up the commas according to the period. So first we have ones period. So in ones period we need 3 digit. So from right side we will leave 3 digit and we will give the comma in between 8 and 3. Then comes thousands period, and in thousands period we need 2 digit, that is 1000 and 10,000. So we will put the comma in between 1 and 9. And then we have lakhs period, that is in that lakhs period we can arrange 2 digit, and there the 2 digits are there, that is 1 and 5. Now how to read and write the number? So this number is read as 51,98,342. Now let us write in spellings or in words, that is 51 lakh 51 lakh 98,342 and 42. So in this way we can arrange 7-digit number in Indian place value system, and we can put up the commas according to the period, and we can read the number and write the number. Now we will see how to arrange 8-digit and 9-digit number. Now to arrange the 8-digit and 9-digit number, again we have to form the periods. That is, first is ones period, Then second comes thousands period. Then next is lakhs period. Then crores period. Now in ones period we have three places, that is hundreds, tens and ones. In thousands we have 1000 and 10,000 place. In lakhs period we have lakh and 10 lakhs place. And in crores we have 1 crore and 10 crores place. Now here we are going to put up the 8-digit number. Now to put up the 8-digit number, let us consider the number 2, 4, 8, 9, 3, 6, 5, 7. Now here if we count the digits, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now this number is, let us arrange the commas according to the periods. So first of all we will write down all the digits. 2, 4, 8, 9, 3, 6, 5, 7. Now we know that in ones period we have 3 digits, we need 3 digits. So from right side we will leave 3 digits and we will give the comma in between 3 and 6. Then in thousands period we need 2 digits. So we will leave 2 digits now from the comma given and we will put the comma in between 8 and 9. And now in crores period we need, crores period we need here in crores period we have 1 digit and in lakhs period again we have 2 digits. So this number is read as 2 lakhs 2 crores 48 lakh FORTY 48 lakhs 93,000 600 SIX 6 HUNDRED 100 57. Now again we can arrange the 9-digit number. So let us arrange the 9-digit number in the Indian place value system. So we can take the number here 4, 7, 6, 2, 4, 9, 1, 3 and 8. Now how to read this number? To read this number, first of all we have to put up the commas according to the periods. So let us write here 4, 7, 6, 2, 4, 9, 1, 3 and 8 and we will arrange the comma here. In ones period 3 digit, in thousands period 2 digit, in lakhs period 2 digit and in crores period now we have 2 digit. This is 9-digit number. Now to write the this number in spellings, we can write it as 40 FORTY 40, 7 SEVEN 7, crores CRORES crores, 62 SIXTY 60, TW2 lakhs, then 49 FORTY 40, 9 NINE 1000, 100, 38. So in this way we can arrange the numbers in Indian place value system, and according to the period when we put up the commas, it gets easy for us to read the number.